Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Zendesk, especially Zendesk Sell. We are going to cover what it actually is. I'll tell you more about Zendesk Sell, and then we are going to check the pricing so you exactly know how much money you have to prepare. So Zendesk Sell is a Salesforce automation software to make better decisions in sales. It is simple, user-friendly, and designed to help sales reps to keep selling. Focused on increasing productivity, the software gives quick access to relevant data to facilitate easy analysis and collaboration. Data capture is automatic, and therefore agents and sales reps can always stay on the same page when handling customers' accounts. It streamlines the building and management of sales pipelines, so that reps can prioritize prospects and customers. The greatest USP of the software is enabling users to send emails, make calls, view deal history, and schedule meetings in a few clicks. Smart List is another fantastic feature that allows for the segmentation and filtering of deals and leads in real time. Businesses can integrate their everyday tools with the platform or create their own Zendesk apps to be used exclusively. Zendesk's Sales SDK and APIs provide the foundation for the successful project's integration. It's made mainly for businesses, not so much for individuals and freelancers. You can run them in your mobile phone and in your PC as well without a problem. And they are offering really nice 24/7 support. Let's check Zendesk for sales. They are offering at the moment 3 options and also free trial. So Zendesk Team is per $19, 19 euros. So you can see that they are focused straight away for teams, not for individuals, as you would expect from a Zendesk product. Then Growth, which is 49 euros a month, and then Professional, which is $99. Sorry, yet again, euros per month. The actual US price is the same, so there is not much of a sales difference between euros and dollars at this point. And you get the option for integration straight away with the first paid program. So that's a big thumbs up. Also, there's a robust API Core Plus Premium if you go with a Growth or Professional. But I believe that for average company, average business, the Zendesk Sell team is more than enough. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.